Hello everyone, this is me Rishabh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my podcast. So today's our guest is Mr. Sayan. And right now he's a public speaker and a communication skill coach and he's doing a lot of things. So let us have an interaction with him. Hello Mr. Sayan, can you hear me?
Yes, hi Rishabh, this is Sayan this side. Thank you for the
Okay.
lovely introduction.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much for coming to my podcast and giving your precious time. So Mr. Sayan, can you introduce yourself that what you do and where you're from and everything about you?
Absolutely, absolutely. So hi Rishabh and hi to your audience. My name is Sayan Goswami. I'm the founder of Alpha One Training Technologies, which is a training organization, right? We provide training to corporates, to executives, to students, and we do it offline and we do it online, right? Especially online now because of COVID. And apart from that, I'm a public speaker. I also do some bit of motivational work, but I would like to expand on it later on in the interview. Apart from that, it is mostly about communication skills coaching, personality coaching, sales training. That's what we do to our company.
Okay, fine. That's great. It means you are a public speaker also, and you are a motivational speaker also, and you train people to improve and to have a good command in their communication skill. Okay, and you are a CEO of Alpha One Training Technology.
Yes, yes, Rishabh. I prefer to call myself a communication skills coach rather than a speaker, right? Speaking
Okay.
is a result. Speaking is the outcome that you see on stage, right? And I do speak on stage. I do speak on different occasions. But my skill, my main thing that I offer to my clients is the coaching, the training that we provide, right?
Okay, you
So I prefer to
provided.
call myself, yeah. So I prefer to call myself a communication skills coach, a personality development trainer, a sales trainer.
Okay, fine. That's great. So today we will talk all about communication skills. Okay, all about motivation. Okay, and
Sure.
all about personality development because this is very important for all the people who are in the field of job or who are in the field of business. Okay, or they are studying. It is necessary for everyone. So let us we can start our topic. Okay. So here is my first question. So my first question is all about what is the importance of communication skills. Okay, how communication because you have heard like I hear from a lot of people that we should work upon communication skills. It is very much important. So, what you feel that how important is communication skills for us?
Right. So, like, of course, it is very, very important. It is very important. If it was not important, just imagine the days when people, human beings, used to live in jungles, our ancestors, right? They learned to communicate through a lot of difficulties, through sign languages, through hieroglyphics, through different methods. Why? Because to convey what you see and what you feel and to express that, you need language. You need to say something which the other person can understand in exactly the same way that you meant it. Which brings us to the term miscommunication. So, what is miscommunication? You are trying to say something, but the person, your audience, is understanding something else. That is miscommunication, right? The aim of communication is clarity. The aim of communication is expression.
Okay.
And if you are not good with expressing, you have a lot of thoughts. Everybody has a lot of thoughts, but
Yeah.
very few can express those thoughts in the most clear manner,
Mhm.
right? And if you cannot express your thoughts in a clear manner, then what do you have? I mean, we are our thoughts and our opinions. What other thing are we, right? It is what you think that makes you unique. What you feel that makes you unique. If you cannot express it, it gets very difficult. It lets you, communication helps you express your feelings, express your thoughts, express your ideas, and your ideas, thoughts, feelings helps you create, leave your legacy in the world. It's what makes you unique. It helps you leave a legacy in the world. Apart from the general benefits like job, apart from the general benefits like dating people, apart from other things, right? All of those are just other things. But most importantly, it is what you think is what makes you unique, and you must be able to bring that out to other people.
Fine, fine. Okay, that's great. Like as you emphasize the importance of communication skills. Okay, and with the very good example. Fine. And after communication skills, the main question comes that because most of the people knows that communication skills are very important. Okay, either no one like they knows that communication is very important, but they don't know the main thing that how they can improve or how they can have command in their communication skills. If you can give some points on that, like how can we improve or how can we have a command in in our communication skills?
Yep, sure. So first of all, we have to understand what communication is, right? Communication is an interaction between two people. It's never one. It's between two people, right? Two or more. Now, when there are two people, one has to speak, but the other has to listen. So the number one rule of communication is be a very, very good, intentful listener. All right. Listening is the number one rule of communication. Being somebody who listens well. Now we all think we listen well, but there is a way, there is a skill to being a good listener. A good listener, a great listener can find things about you that you say, but things that you don't say. And that is the skill of a good listener. What others? So a huge mistake that people make is they think that the words that they say is the most important, but they completely lack the thought that it is your expressions, it is your tonality, it is the smile on your face, it is the eye contact. That is way more important than what you say. Of course, what you say is very important. Of course, that is very important.
Yeah.
But the effect on the other person comes with these things, right? You say the words, you transfer your ideas, but how you say it matters the most. Now, these are just certain things, the basics I would say of communication, right? Of course, you can improve the way you present your ideas. You can improve the way your narration is. You can improve the how to build structure into what you say, right? You can do all of those things. But if somebody wants to really improve, I would say right today, start working on being a very intentful listener, engaged listener, right? Who's very engaged with the person he's talking to, and start working on non-verbal skills, like your eye contact, like expression, like a smile, like having a great, a very open personality. Those are very important.
Okay, fine. Oh wow, great. So like you gave a good like points, okay, for how to improve communication skills. And I would also like to practice these things, okay, what have you told? Okay, fine. So let us talk like let us come to the next topic. So next topic is all about motivation. Okay, because
Mm.
this is also very much necessity in our life. Okay, some
Yep.
people think that motivation without motivation we cannot do anything. So the main question comes that how to stay motivated, because sometimes I also feel demotivation. For example, I am doing something and I am not getting the result in that, okay, what I have thought, then I will start like I start getting demotivation. Or most of the people, they're student or either in the business, they start getting demotivation. So how to
Yeah.
handle the demotivation and how to be motivated in our life?
Correct. Absolutely. That's a great question, Rishabh. And let's start with the very basics, right? So, if I see the definition of motivation, as Google says, is a reason for acting or behaving in a particular way. Right? That
Okay.
is motivation. So, what is it? It's a reason that you want to behave in a particular way. Now, what is your reason to do anything? First of all, you have to understand that. For example, uh, somebody wants to pass an exam. He's sitting for an exam, right? He wants to pass the exam. The first question is, why is that exam important to you? Now somebody would say, you know what, it is the rule. My parents say that you have to pass the exam, right? Well, then you are not motivated because you have no interest. There is no reason for you to pass the exam. It is not even
Yeah.
your dream, right? Uh, you don't know what you want to do. Your parents say, go and do engineering or become a doctor or become something else. It's not your dream. Right? You can only be excited about your dream, about your things you want to achieve in life. You can only be excited by them. So first is find the reason in your life why you want to do something.
Uh, uh,
Right? Very important. What's the reason? The next thing is once you know the reason, understand that goals just give you a direction. Very important thing. Because I face this every day with my clients. When I talk to people from working as directors in multinationals to founders to young students, right? Everybody has one misconception. Everybody is focused on the goals,
mm,
right? Goal setting, goal setting, goal setting. See, goal setting is important and goals are important, but goals should just give you a direction in life. That's it.
mm,
That is the whole importance
okay.
of goal. It is just like the station. I need to go to the station, right? It is just a direction setup. It is not the main thing. The main thing is the process. So what we need to do immediately for all your listeners, all your audience, right? Completely come out of that outcome focused mind and focus on the process. What you're doing
Okay.
today, how can I focus? How can I make it better? Right? When I make the things better, outcome is a byproduct. It will come.
Mm.
Maybe tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow, then maybe day after tomorrow. The outcome will come. Okay? Let's not focus on that. Because what happens is when you focus on the goal and that thing does not happen, you cannot achieve that goal, then you are demotivated. Then you feel, oh, I cannot get it. Because you are focusing on the wrong thing. Focus on the
Yeah.
process.
Okay.
Now imagine, now just imagine if Sachin Tendulkar, right, he scored a few ducks and he's like, oh, I scored ducks, I will not bat again in life.
Uh,
It does not happen. You can only focus on your practice. You can only focus on different shots, right? And they will make you a better batsman, and that is why you will score runs. So the runs
yeah.
become a byproduct of the practice.
Uh,
So focusing on that process is very important. Moving from an outcome focused to a process focused mentality, it will really help people be motivated in this. First is reason. Second is moving away and coming to a process focused mentality.
wow, wow. Like you explained very well. Okay, that how can we stay motivated? And some of the things I am also following. Okay, that you should have the reason. Okay, why you are doing the thing. Okay, and you
Yeah,
explain
sure.
the things in a very good way. Okay, about motivation. So let us talk on second topic, and your most interesting topic is all about personality development. Okay, this is
Yeah.
also very much important as communication skills, as motivation is important in our life. Same goes to personality development. It is also very important. If we are in
Yes.
any phase of life, if we are doing job or if we are in business or if we want to do anything in our life, a good personality is definitely required. So, what is mean by personality development? Like, can you explain me? Because when the thing comes, like when the word comes, personality development, what does the word mean, personality development to you?
Yeah. So first is let's break it down, right? So development, everybody knows what development is. But what is personality? What is personality, right? Personality is the unique thing about you because it comes from personal to personality. So what is personal? That means what is you, who are you, and what is so unique about you. Now, when we say what is so unique about you, that means that we need to be able to use your strengths, your the special gifts that you have to make you shine. That is your personality. It should never be that okay, these are the checklist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and everybody should become like that. Then you're just clones. Then you have no uniqueness. Your uniqueness is gone, right? Then everybody becomes clones. Everybody sits like this. Everybody nods their head like this. Everybody talks with their hands like this, right? Your uniqueness is the strongest thing that you have, right? Rishabh is different from everybody else, and that
Yeah.
uniqueness needs to come out. That uniqueness needs to shine through when you interact with people. So personality is a mix of few things, right? So of course it is a mix of the way you communicate with people. So it's a very important thing of personality.
Okay.
How you represent yourself with others. So that is the external representation, right? It is how you walk, how you talk, how you greet people, how you engage with people, right? All of those things. That's your how you represent yourself. What's your mindset? What's your outlook towards life? That's your internal part, right? Are you a very positive person? Are you a negative person? Are you somebody who finds solutions in problems, or are you a person who finds problems in solutions? Who are you, right? So
Yeah.
that internal part, what's your outlook towards life? And the last key to it is self-awareness. Knowing who you are is very important. If you want to develop who you are, you must know who you are. Without knowing that, how will you develop yourself? Right? So awareness, understanding everything about yourself is very, very important. Uh, a lot of people I see, young people, they choose careers, they choose directions in life, mostly because they don't know who they are. So I have a saying which says that if you have no plans in life, others will make plans. If you have no goals of your own, others will set goals for you. Right? Society will come, your neighbors will come, others will come, and they will say, you know what, Rishabh, you should do this. You should do this. Because you don't know what to do. So self-awareness is very important.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, these things is happening mostly in India. Like even the person have not done that, okay, and even they will suggest you to do this, do that, okay. Like even in my society, like nobody have become engineer and something, and they will suggest them like two different students that become engineer, become doctor or something like that, and
Exactly.
everybody is in a rat race, like everybody is running in the same field. Fine, and
Exactly.
yeah,
Yeah.
fine. So we talked about the personality development. So like, can you tell some tips that sign of a good personality, or how to improve a good personality? Because it is a learnable skill. Like personality development is a learnable thing. Yeah.
Completely. Completely.
So how
Completely.
can we learn that? Like how can we learn, or how can we improve? Okay, and how can we like imply that in our life?
Right. Absolutely. So, see, the easiest way to do it is obviously get a mentor, get a trainer who can train you, who can mentor you, right? Tell you, because a lot of times we cannot see the things that we need to improve, but a mentor, an experienced person, can immediately catch it in you that this is the place you need to improve and just completely transform your life. That person can completely transform your life, right? Has happened with many of my clients where people have come to me with a lot of nervousness, a lot of insecurities, a lot of problems, right? But in a very quick time, they have completely changed as personality. They have become confident, they have become outspoken, they have become opinionated, all of those things. But if somebody does not have access, somebody cannot reach me, or somebody does not, know how to find a mentor. So what you can do is, first of all, what I always say, first work on your mindset. The first thing, all right,
Mindset.
mindset, your outlook towards life. What's your outlook towards life? Start thinking in a logical manner, which means do not take anybody else's opinion and go with it. Think for yourself. Think what is the logical conclusion, right? Think about your own biases, right? If I am biased over something, maybe I need to remove that bias and think in a very neutral manner and then come to a conclusion. When you start developing your mental faculties in terms of your intelligence to think more rationally, more logically about things, a lot of your problems will get solved in life. Very easy. A lot of problems will get solved. Career problems, all of these problems will get solved, right? Relationship problems. The next thing is, once I've done with my mental faculties, once I'm done with my, I've started developing a logical reasoning pattern in my thinking. The next thing is, how can I make others comfortable with me, like in my interactions, right? How can I add value to others? What is my value to others? Okay, what is my value in the world? So which means maybe I have a skill, so I can develop a skill which is very valuable to somebody else. Maybe I can an amazing communicator, right? Which is valuable because people will like to have conversations with me. People will enjoy the
Yeah.
conversation, right?
Exactly.
Or I can be a very boring person who does not know anything to talk. Then nobody's going to. So my value can happen in similar ways. Like I skill, my communication, all of those things. The next step I would say is, once you are done with those things, start working on your communication patterns. It's a very, very, why I keep repeating communication, because communication is a meta skill. You know what a meta skill is, Krishna? So, okay, a meta skill is a skill that makes other skills better.
Okay.
So if you develop one skill, it will help you become good in multiple different ways.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I got it.
Okay? So communication will help you in your professional development. It will help you in your
Uh,
personal relationships. It will help you understanding people. It will help you interacting with people. It will help you, with a great personality. It helps in all
yeah.
different things. So these are the areas where people need to start. And of course, then there is a vast range of things that we can cover, right? Like for example, balance in personality, balance in, you know, everybody does not have complete balance. Somebody is very good in one place but lacking in something else. So we need to try to bring balance to our to our training also. One of the things we look at is in personality is, what is the where is the balance getting affected? Where is that getting tilted, right? And then you try to bring it to the middle so that everything looks perfect.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Great. So like you explained, okay, how to develop and as you said that, yeah, communication skills, I think it is a core for everything. Okay. What I think that communication is a core for everything.
True, true, true.
Fine.
Because what you communicate is who you are, Rishabh. Like what differentiates you from others is your communication, because
Yeah.
it is thoughts in your head, right? And if you cannot express them in a way which is clear, which is concise, which is consistent, which is charismatic, right? It will not affect somebody. And if you cannot affect somebody by your views, like what? Like go to an interview, and if you cannot affect that person with your ideas, you're not going to get selected. If you're going
Yeah.
to going to a girl for marriage, but if you cannot impress her with your words, right? I don't know who
Yeah.
to travel, right? So
Okay. Fine.
communication is very important.
Okay. You gave a great example. So like this question, okay, like it will be my next question, like last question, because I asked to every person. So like, what is a piece of advice you would like to give? Because to everybody who I bring in my podcast, so definitely I ask one question to them. Okay, I swear that what is the advice you would like to give to people, okay, who want to develop their communication or who are in phase of like personality development. or to youngster, what is a piece of suggestion you have learned or your life lesson you would like to give to them?
Yeah. So see, one piece of advice to tell me, Rishabh, which is very important, which I have learned through my journey of over a decade of coaching. I've worked in the corporate sector for over 12 years, right? So all of that experience, I'll tell you one thing which I feel is very important for people, especially in our country and our society, right?
Yeah.
One thing that's really important is people have to come out of that mentality of I'm going to consume free stuff, or I'm going to go to YouTube videos and I'm going to learn things, or I'm going to go to maybe these free resources and I'm going to learn something. It does not happen. It does not bring any change, and I've seen many people over that. Right? If you are looking for a great job, like people come to me, right? I want the best job in the world. I say, okay, how much salary do you want? I want this much. I want 50,000, 1 lakh rupees, can get 1.5 lakh. I said, good. Okay, this is the amount you have to invest in the training program. And somebody, no, how I cannot invest. I said, what are you going to learn? You are going to earn from this every month for the rest of so many years. And you want everything in life. You don't want to invest. So the problem is, people need to start coming out of that zone, because personal investment is the greatest investment. Okay? There is a difference between a BMW car and an ordinary car, because the parts in a BMW car are of a different level, of a different quality. So first, focus on you cannot be a normal car and expect that your price will be in crores. It cannot happen. First, you have to raise the level of your parts and deserve that price. Only then you can ask for that price. Right? Yeah. So immediately, the easiest way is to get trained. Get trained by a mentor, by a person who has got a lot of experience, not by any person on YouTube or free sources, because wrong information can absolutely ruin people. I see a lot of wrong information being given out, right? It does not work like that. So wrong information will be very harmful. It's better invest some money, go and find an experienced trainer, a mentor, who can tell you the exact thing, who can bring change. Check their reviews, check their testimonials, right? Who have been trained, what changes have they got? Yeah. Only then. But once you do it, that thing will really change the level of playing. You can play in your neighborhood, and you can play in Ranji, and you can play in the national team, and you can play IPL. Right? There are different levels. So what level do you want to play in? That's choice people have to make, and then they have the best. Because if you don't want to get trained, you will not play at that level. Okay, that is one piece of advice I give everybody. Stop thinking, okay, what is going out? No, what is going to come in for the rest of my life if I readily now invest in whatever.
Yeah.
Because it's one skill or two skills that will change the way of your life. It will change the way you get your jobs, personal relationships, everything.
Yeah, and it is gonna help lifelong. Okay, it is not that you have taken and it will go in 1 week or 1 month. Okay, it is gonna keep impact lifelong.
Exactly, it is just going to compound, because develop once, it's going to help you in 10 different ways. From there, you're developing in 10 different ways. So it's going to compound in value.
Okay, fine. Okay, that's great. So I think thank you for coming, and you gave a very good, you answered everything in a very good and a very practical way. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Sayan, for coming here and giving your precious time.
Thank you so much for the opportunity to come and talk to your audience. I think you're doing a great job with your podcast. You have a young audience, I believe, and it is very important. I want to reach out to the young audience as much as possible, right?
Yeah.
And that's only for your podcast and for your young audience. What I'm going to do is, next month in April, we are doing a batch of training for a 5-day training program, where I will be doing live training for people. It's not a recorded video. I will be live coming. I will be training people for 90 minutes every day, okay, for 5 days, on communication, on personality, on all aspects, right? And any listener of yours who is listening to it will get a complete 50% discount flat off, because it was a great podcast with you. I love this, and I always look forward to opportunities to reach out to young people. So
yeah, exactly, and it can be useful for both, all the people, okay, because those who are because these things are very important in your life, okay, no matter what you're doing, okay, these things are very important in your life.
Absolutely. So what we will do, Rishabh, is you can post my Instagram account, and anybody who is interested with this discount thing, they can just mention Rishabh and DM me. They can DM me by
Fine.
mentioning Rishabh, and they get a 50% off on my 5-day program.
Yeah. So thank you, Mr. Sayan, okay, for giving your time. Okay, so now it's time to end the podcast. Okay, and I think it was a very, very, very valuable talking and having a podcast with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.